Welcome to the Java 9 optional class improvement session. We already discussed optional classes introduced in Java 8 to avoid the null checks and null pointer exception. Before Java 8, if statements are used to check the null values, but it is not an ideal way to check for the null values as it does not solve the null pointer exception, just hides it and propagates to the next level. That is the reason optional class is introduced in Java to handle the null values from Java 8. We already discussed Java 8, what are the methods available in it in the earlier session. Now let us see what are the new methods introduced in Java 9 for optional class. For that we will go to the official Oracle website and we'll see what all the new methods are added. If present or else method is added in the optional class from since Java version 9. If present or else method and of method is or method is added from Java 9 and stream method also added in Java 9. So these three methods are added in the Java 9. Now we will see in detail about those methods. To go through the Java 9 methods, I have created two employee objects. So now we'll see Java 9 methods in detail. First one is if present or else. If present or else method or method. Second one is or method and third one is a stream method they have introduced in Java 9. Now let us see one by one. If present or else method, this method performs the given action if the value is present in the optional object. If the value is absent, this method performs the given empty based action. You can use this method when you want to perform different actions depending on the presence and absence of a value. Optional name dot if present or else. If present we will do one action. If present that action if the value is present then we will do action. System dot out dot println of name, we will print this name. If the value is not there, if the value is absent, that time or else method will work. That means here we will do dot out dot println of no name available. Let us run this one. We are able to see the name because in this object this optional name is having some value Mohammedaram, so we are able to see that value. Now even is not having, name is not there. In that time if present else, how it will work, let us see. So it is returning if the value is not there, that's the reason it is going to the second argument, that is or else condition. It is working, so it is returning no name available. Or method, let's copy this one, we'll comment this one. This OR method returns optional object containing the value if the value is present in the given optional object. If the value is not present, it returns the optional produced by the supplier function. Now let us see how exactly it will work. Optional name dot or of, we have to give some supplier function. Here the return type of this or method is of type of optional only, so we will give optional dot of, we will give no name. Let us see this or method in the optional class. See, if the value is present, whatever the or method we are using, it will return that direct that optional object itself. If it is not there, it will if it is not there, we have to give the optional supplier as an argument for the or method, and it returns that object. So that whatever the supplier we are providing, the it should have some non-null value, otherwise it will give null pointer exception. So this is now this optional this is the return type is optional. Sorry, we will create optional object, optional of string optional name one, we will give. Let's run this one. So let's print this one, system dot println of optional name one. Let us run this one. We are getting no name of type optional, because this or method will give the return type as optional of optional object only, because this optional name object is not having any value, it is having null. That is the reason it went to the it went to the supplier condition and it returns the no name as the optional value. We will send the value and see how it will works. So it is prints the optional, it is returns the optional of type with the respected provided value. To get the actual value, we will use get method and we will print that method variable to 3. Next method is stream method. Next method is stream method. This stream method returns a string containing the value if the value is present in the given optional object. If the value is not present, it returns the empty string. The beauty of the stream method is it converts the optional of type into stream type, so that it enables or it allows the developers to apply the stream API functions into the optional object also. Let us see how this optional object will works. Optional name dot stream we can able to apply for each, means this is the stream API method, so we can able to apply this one and will print the name println system. So it will print the whatever the values are available in the optional name. If the value is present, then only this stream will apply, otherwise it will return empty stream. That is the reason we are not able to see anything here. Now we will pass the value and we'll see what it will return. So now it returns the value. These are all the 3 new methods introduced in Java 9. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.